Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a one box break of 2012-2013 Panini Flawless Basketball. This is a draft your pick. All 10 names have been entered into random.org. I'd like to thank everyone: Kyle, Shoei, Sergio D, Ryan F, Daniel C, and Mike E. Thank you guys for joining us tonight. A lot of first timers to the site. We're going to randomize 10 times for you guys. And pick number one. You're going to be on the clock. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ryan F with the first pick. Shoei with the second. Daniel C is going to have the third. I'm just going to print it out for you guys and we'll just go that way. Sergio D with the fourth and fifth. Mike E with the sixth and seventh. Kyle with the eighth. Daniel C with the ninth. And Shoei with the 10th. Alright guys, to show you the list, here we go. Ryan F, number 1, Shoei, Daniel C, Sergio D with 4 and 5, Mike E, Kyle, Daniel C, and Shoei. Alright, so here we go guys. And Ryan F, you're going to have the first pick, buddy. This is a beautiful layout here. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's pull a monster here. Let's pull a monster. Yes, it is, Kyle. A nice little piece of briefcase here. We got the sides we have to open. All right. Guys who like the big hits, I just saw an advertisement for... Oh, I see a nice one. Oh, I saw an advertisement for National Pastime Baseball. It looks really nice. Really nice. I'm going to open the Kobe pack. If there's no big hits, I'm going to donate the base cards unless you guys want them to the children. If you guys want them, I'll figure out how to distribute them. Base Kobe, base Kobe, base Kobe, base Kobe, and base Kobe. Okay. Guys, here we go. First hit. Larry Bird diamond card. 16 of 20. That's a nice hit. That is a nice hit. And the second card, guys, look at this. 8 of 10, Kobe Bryant. Boom, baby. There you go. 8 of 10, Kobe Bryant. Now for the box. Wow, sick patch right off the top. I see a sick patch, and that's empty, guys. Okay. Rasheed Wallace. Excuse me. 3-color patch with 5 breaks. And that's going to be number 1 of 15. That is a nice hit. Look at this. Oh my God. Tim Duncan star. Oh, boom, baby. That is sweet. Number 9 of 15. So, guys, we got 4 cards already that are just solid. Solid. Wow. Look at this. Ralph Sampson. Look at the patch. 1, 2, 3 colors, multi-breaks, number 4 of 15. Oh my goodness. For you Texan guys here, that's just some nice stuff. From you guys from Texas, that's just some awesome, awesome stuff. And for the Pistons, Joe Dumars autograph. I know Kyle's going to like that. Number 6 of 20. Very nice. We got a nice gold card here. I wonder what that is. Mitch Richmond. Panini, you guys did an outstanding job. Congratulations, guys. This is a beautiful set. Mitch Richmond, 3-color patch with multi-breaks. Number 17 of 20. Very nice. I want to save this card for last because it's gold and that might be a 1 of 1. But look at this. Oh, Dennis Rodman, 5 of 5 autograph. Boom, baby. Look at this. Oh, that is sick. And Ryan, you're going to have a tough choice here, brother. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Julius Irving autograph. Number 4 of 10. Oh, my goodness. Does it ever stop? Does it ever stop? And there's that Richmond from earlier. It's the same card, 17 of 20. Let's see if this is a 1 of 1 by any chance. It's not, but it's still David Thompson, 10 of 10 for the Denver Nuggets. Wow, this is crazy, crazy, crazy sick. All right, Ryan, you are on the clock, my friend. Please tell me what you would like. Wow, and I can go through them again, guys. I can go through them again if needed. That was a sick box, guys. That was a crazy sick box. Ryan, refresh your screen. Push the refresh button, brother. Yes, you can see the Kobe again. Absolutely. Let me get it for you. I'm just putting these in one touches for you guys. This is the Kobe. It is encased from Panini. Number 8 of 10. That is the Kobe. And I just want to get a 100 point. Let me see if they fit a little bit better in these 100 point, because they move around just a little bit in the 130s. Yeah, 100 point is the way to go. I need one more of them. right, Ryan, you are on the clock, sir. No, Kyle, just be Kyle. Let them make their own decisions. While Ryan is thinking, I'm going to continue to put these in one-touches for you guys. I know which one I like. All right, Ryan wants the Kobe. Showy at number 2. What would you like? Oh, thank you, Ryan. Appreciate it. I want to get my logo back on the screen. Showy with the number 2 pick in the flawless draft. What are you choosing, my friend? All right. Larry Bird, Diamond. Base Diamond, 16 of 20, Larry Bird. David Thompson, autograph, gold, number 10 of 10. Mitch Richmond, autograph patch, number to 20. Ralph Sampson, autograph patch, number 4 of 15. Dennis Rodman, emerald autograph, and that's number 5 of 5. And I haven't gotten these in the one-touches yet. Rasheed Wallace, number 1 of 15. And a sick D-Rob, number 9, Tim Duncan, number 9 of 15. That's just a sick, nasty patch. Joe Dumars autograph, number to 20. And a Julius Erving autograph, number to 10. Joey, what are you liking, brother? Daniel C., you're on the clock, my friend. Nice choice, Joey. Nice choice. I like that card. That is just a sick, sick, sick card. Daniel C., you're on the clock. No, you figured he would take Bird, Kyle. Tim Duncan is off the board. Daniel C., you're on the clock. All right, they are all in one touches for you guys. That's the one I like, Daniel. And being that you're from Ohio, I had a feeling you were going to go for that one. Let me pull that out for you. That is now out of play. Dennis Rodman is now off the board. The worm. Nice choice. Okay, Sergio is up. Let me see if he has DM'd me. Okay. I'm waiting to hear from him, guys, so just give me a few. And Sergio has the next two picks. The next two picks for Sergio. He was so worried about this break, and lo and behold, he's going to have some nice cards to choose from. Unreal, Sergio. I think his blood pressure might have went up and he may have passed out because he hasn't gotten back to me yet. Yep. Okay. Let me show him what's available because he says he's still a few seconds behind. Okay, 1 second, guys. Mitch Richmond autographed 3-color patch. That's number /20. that is a pretty card. A Joe Dumars autograph, number 6/20. Julius Irving autograph, number 4/10. A Rasheed Wallace patch, number 1/15. A Ralph Sampson 3-color patch autograph, number 4/15. David Thompson autograph, number 10/10. And a Larry Bird base card diamond, number 16/20. He's a few seconds lagging, guys. Probably a few minutes, but wait, Kyle. I was right. I think it makes it fun. Being that it's lagging stinks, but yeah, sure. Absolutely. Go ahead. Please do. I don't want my face in there, though. Everything, Larry. You missed everything. No, that still can be, Kyle, but it's guaranteed one per case. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the tweet, or the DM that I got. If it comes in, Larry Bird Diamond, Mitch Richmond. Those are the two. Those are the two that are being taken by Sergio. So the Bird and the Richmond are now off the board. Larry Bird and Mitch Richmond. Mike E., you have the next two picks, sir. If you need a recap, I can do that for you as well, Mike. Yeah, Chrome usually does work a little bit better on this. There are 5 cards left, Mike. No, Kyle, I'm not shipping a briefcase. Joe Dumars, 6 of 20. Joey! David Thompson, autograph number 10 of 10. No, I'm not shipping the case. Ralph Sampson, 4 of 15. Rasheed Wallace, number 1 of 15. And Julius Irvin, number 4 of 10. I'll give you the refund, Larry. I knew that. I knew that was coming, buddy. That's yours, Mike. Congrats. Nice hit. I don't know how that lasted that long. And here is the Wallace. There were the patches. As you can see, 3 color with 5 breaks there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the little orange at the bottom. Number 1 of 15. And the Rasheed Wallace. That's going to Mike. Let me just make notes here, guys. Dr. J and the Wallace. Kyle G, you are on the clock, buddy. I know what you're taking, but I have to show you. Ralph Sampson. David Thompson. Or, Joe Dumars? The Samson is at a 15. 4 of 15. All right, Kyle, let's pick it, brother. Joe Dumars, Kyle? Kyle, confirm that it's the Joe Dumars, buddy. I'll give him the case if he lets me take his hit. Okay, Dumars is going to Kyle. Good choice, Kyle. Daniel C., you are up, sir. Ralph Sampson, 4 of 15. There we go. Or David Thompson, 10 of 10. Ralph Sampson. And Showy, you are getting the David Thompson. I know being in Texas, you'd rather have the Samson, but you're getting the David Thompson. Still not a bad card. 10 of 10, buddy. And the Ralph Sampson is going to Daniel C. Awesome, guys. That was a killer box. Mike, thank you for joining us, first timer. Sergio, thank you. Daniel C, thank you. Showy, Ryan F, appreciate it. Kyle, you're not forgotten. Guys, I appreciate it. This was killer. This was a killer box of Flawless. I hope you guys come back and join us again. I'm going to upload the video for you guys. It's going to be on YouTube as well as on the site. I'll tweet out a link if you guys want to watch it on through Twitter. And I'm going to stop the recording of this. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow me on Twitter at The Casebreakers and check out my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is The Casebreakers. Boom, baby.